here these are the different business intelligence tools we have, like Microsoft Power BI, Clear Analytics, DataPine, and apart from that, some of you may be aware of Tableau also. Okay, Tableau, ClickSense. There are many different platforms. Okay, so here the advantage of Microsoft Power BI is, or other platforms, is that in the Microsoft ecosystem, like you have a lot of other tools which are being used by different organizations extensively. Like you have Microsoft Excel or Access or SQL servers or Azure. These are different types of platforms already being used for data. Okay, so it is easy for Microsoft Power BI to integrate with these tools and pull the data inside Microsoft Power BI. Okay, so that's a great advantage of having Microsoft Power BI. Of course, you can connect to any other tools also, but you will be more conversant with the Microsoft environment. Okay.